Hi, this screencast is going to demonstrate using the calculator to be able to determine the chi-square for 10.1, Chapter 10, Section 1. It's a little bit different than most of the tests and calculations that we use the calculator for, in that we're going to use matrices to input the data this time instead of list. So this particular problem from one of your assignments, the following table shows the Myers-Briggs personality preferences for a random sample of 406 people in the listed professions. E refers to extroverted, I refers to introverted. So you see the column E, okay, there are 3 rows, and column I, 3 rows. You're going to input the column E and the column I into the matrices. We're not going to use row totals and column totals here. So let's go into the matrices. Let's go second, and this x to the negative power, that's the matrix. So now we need to edit a matrix. We're going to go over right to edit, and number 1 for that matrix. We need a 3 by 2 matrix because we have 3 rows by 2 columns. Okay, so 3 enter, 2 enter, and now we just need to put in those data values. So beginning in the first row, 6, 2, enter, 4, 5, enter, 7, 1, enter, 9, 1, enter. Last row, 5, 1, enter, 8, 6, enter. So we completed this matrix, and now let's go to stat. We're going to arrow over twice to test, and we're going to arrow down to C, which is chi-square test. There is your chi-square test on C, so enter. Now, your observed data, that's what we just input, observed data, and we input it into matrix A. Expected data, the calculator is going to calculate the expected data, and it's going to put the expected data into matrix B. So we need to make sure that A is what we use to input the observed data, or record the observed data, and B is where the calculator is going to put the expected data. Let's arrow down, highlighting calculate, and click enter. Our chi-square value is 10.648, and our p-value is 0.00487, a degree of freedom of 2. And so this is all you need to be able to do to find an answer to this problem. So looking at the entire problem here, okay, we have 10.648 as the chi-square statistic for the sample. I hope that helps you. Bye.